What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the iPhone 8 Plus. You can see both the devices are having the same set of applications, and let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The S9 Plus is having 6 GB of RAM, and this is the Exynos variant, and it is 9810. So the iPhone 8 Plus is having 3 GB of RAM, and it is running on Apple A11 Bionic chip, which is right now the fastest chip on the planet. There is no smartphone with the chip faster than this device. So in this video we will be comparing both the devices, and we will be doing this video in two rounds. And in the first round we will be having a speed test comparison between both the devices by opening the same set of applications at the same time. We will notice the time taken by each device. So let's start our speed test, and you can see there is no app running in the background, and both the devices are connected to the same internet connection. And we have started the stopwatch, and right away we are starting the speed test in both the devices. Now both the devices are opening their first set of applications, and right now both the devices are going head to head. Both the devices are on Facebook, they are just loading it, and we are onto the YouTube. So S9 Plus is actually looking a bit faster, and it is going a bit faster than the iPhone 8 Plus. And we have opened the Chrome on both the devices, and we are onto the Adobe Photoshop. Actually iPhone 8 Plus is taking the lead here, and now it is on to the Lapsit, and we are here to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same length clip recorded in HD in both the devices. And iPhone 8 Plus was just so fast here, and it has actually taken a complete lead here onto the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And we are now opening the games on iPhone 8 Plus, and the S9 Plus is also moving to the gaming section. And first round will be completed after these games, and we will see which device completed the first round earlier. And iPhone 8 Plus is onto the color switch, and after that we will be opening the final application, which is the Asphalt 8. And after that we will be noticing the time taken by each device. It will be interesting to see that S9 Plus can catch up here or not, and S9 Plus hasn't catched up, and iPhone 8 Plus has taken a total time of 1 minute and 18 seconds. And S9 Plus is onto the Asphalt 8, and it is just loading the final application. And let's see how much time it has taken. It has taken a total time of 1 minute and 31 seconds. So that is the first round of difference of almost 13 seconds between both the devices. So a clear winner is iPhone 8 Plus in the first round. Let's start the second round in iPhone 8 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and check out the RAM management in both the devices. And you can see both the devices have kept these applications running in the background at the place where we left. So the RAM management is looking great. 3 GB of RAM in iPhone 8 Plus and 6 GB of RAM in Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Both the devices are very well optimized, so the RAM management test is actually quite amazing on both the devices. You can see how blazing fast it is going, and iPhone 8 Plus has completed the second round in 1 minute and 44 seconds, and S9 Plus has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 3 seconds. So the iPhone 8 Plus is the clear winner, and it has completed the test 20 seconds earlier than the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As I am already mentioning that the S9 Plus is not that much optimized to its software, that's why it's taking too much time to load and open these applications. But the RAM management is actually amazing on S9 Plus. It just went so fast while opening these applications, but in the first round it was not up to the mark, and it took a lot of time to open those applications. That's why it lost the first round, and it also lost this first round to Note 8 and the iPhone X. Same was the case with the iPhone X. It also completed the test in 1 minute and 47 seconds. Actually the Experience version 9 on S9 Plus looks a bit slower, so it needs a lot of work by Samsung to fix this and optimize these things to its hardware. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.